Okay, today we have a Volkswagen Beetle in for our hood clean and reproof, along with the Critox of the rubbers and the drain flush as well. It gets the exterior special offer. So as we can see, it's a lovely colour, but because the roof is so light, it does obviously show all the dirt and all the moss. So as we can see, it really lets it down. So we've got build-ups in the side of the rails. And obviously then we come round to the back where it catches all of the dirt mainly. So we've got big dirt patches around here, especially in the back window all the way across, because obviously when the water's running down, it's catching all the bits and pieces. So we're going to give it a good clean, and then we're going to obviously let it dry off and then start applying our protection coats. And it should make that roof look like brand new. As well as that, obviously it should make the car look brand new all over, because obviously it's going to get a nice little clean on the outside as well. So there we go. See what we can do.
Right, so it's just had a hood clean and reproof, which looks absolutely wonderful now. And so now there's no grit in it, it shouldn't wear. You get all these wear bits and threadbare bits because the dirt and grit, obviously, you know, you're putting it backwards and forwards and up and down, and it's compressing it with that. There's a couple of little lines still in it from where somebody's tried to jet wash it, which is a bit frustrating. They got a bit too close. Nothing to do with us, I might add. Yeah, all in all, I don't think it notices too much. We've managed to save the roof, and it should go again, maybe last a few more years. Hopefully, as long as the life of the car. It's had the special offer today, which has the spray wax. So it's about a 3-month wax coating, but it's nice to collect the car, and it's all glossy and shiny, as well as the roof looking clean, and the wheels are clean as well. So she'll be out down the seafront in it, I don't doubt, flashing her eyelashes.